Estimates are of different types, and one of the type is supplementary estimate. So in this video I'll tell you in detail what is meant by supplementary estimate, when it has to be used and where it has to be used. All these details I'll share with you in this particular video. So basically what happens is, whenever a work is awarded to the contractor by the client, a contract will be signed between both the parties, and in that contract document complete scope of work will be mentioned along with the approved rates. So from where that scope of work and the rates will be taken, that will be taken from that detailed estimate file only, which is being sanctioned by the competent authority of that organization, right? We all know that we will prepare a detailed estimate file before starting the construction work of that project, and that will be sanctioned by the competent authority of that organization, and based on that detailed estimate file only the work will be awarded to the contractor, right? So what happens is, when the construction work is started, and at that time when the client asks the contractor to do certain work that is not mentioned in that scope of work, in that contract document or in that detailed estimate file, if that work is not mentioned in that file and a client is asking to the contractor to do that work will be an extra work for that contractor, right? Because that is not the part of that scope of work. So that will be called as an extra work. And for that extra work we have to prepare a completely separate estimate. A new estimate has to be prepared for that extra work, and that is called as supplementary estimate. So basically it is a part of a detailed estimate only. It is a type of a detailed estimate only. We have to prepare it like detailed estimate only. Only one change is there, that in the abstract sheet of that supplementary estimate we have to mention the actual sanctioned project cost also, right? In that supplementary estimate we will calculate the total cost for that new extra work also, and along with that we have to mention the actual sanctioned project cost also. All right, so both the types of the cost has to be mentioned in the abstract sheet of that supplementary estimate. So this is it for this part. Let us meet in the next video.